Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the FinderTag. This is an AirTag alternative. It's a key finder in a 4-pack, a GPS tracker, the Locator, compatible with the FindMy app on our iOS devices. It's a smart finder for our cat, for our dog, for a collar, for luggage, for a suitcase, and so many more. And it's IP67 waterproof. That's cool. The brand is FX, INDX. And environment search. If the smart finder is within Bluetooth range, we can use the FindMy app on our iOS device or activate Siri to make the tracker beep. And we can make a remote search. The FinderTag has passed the Apple's official MFI certification and can be connected to the global FindMy network. We can check the current location of the FinderTag at any time on our mobile phone of our items. Of course, I have to say, the technology behind the FindMy thing is, if there is one iPhone or an Apple device nearly at this or every FindMy device out there, it will get the position tag. And this is shared all over the planet. So, if there is an Apple device nearly, you can see where your stuff is at that moment. If there is no Apple iPad or iPhone or Apple Watch or AirTag and so on nearly, it does not have a function anymore. But this is the big thing behind the AirTag system. And we have a last reminder. We can hang the FinderTag on any item we want to locate. If there is a Bluetooth range which is out of that, the FindMy app will send us a notification. We will need to activate this notification in advance, of course, so we can return and restore the item. That means, for example, your wallet. There is a finder in that, for example, and then you are at a bar. You drink a little bit and then you like to leave the bar and you forgotten your wallet there. And if you leave the range of the Bluetooth, it will give you an information about that. So you can go back and get your wallet on you again. And we have a replaceable battery, as you can see. Each FinderTag comes with an CR2032 battery, so we can clearly see the power on the phone. Replace it with a new battery every time and the device can work for up to a year. And we have comprehensive protection because it comes with 4 AirTag keychains with covers, the IP67 waterproof level, silicone material, effectively shockproof, and it's suitable for the backpacks, for the luggage, for our dog collars, for our keychains, purses, mailboxes, and bikes, bicycles, cars, and any item we want to track or to find back. That's cool. FXINDX. This is a FinderTag, and it works with FindMy app only on iOS devices, and it works with Siri. Siri is really cool with that. So we can talk to Siri and we can track it. That's cool. And this is modern. For example, we attach the FinderTag to our pet's collar. When it gets lost, we can find it with the FindMy app on our smartphone. Or we can hang the FinderTag on any item we want to locate. If they are out of Bluetooth range, the FindMy app will send us a notification. We need to activate, of course, this advance. So we can return that, restore the item, or we can track it. And that means if there is an iOS device nearly, we can make a map, a traffic map to that. And job's done. Then we can find it back. And the IP67 weighted waterproof has a good sealing structure and materials that effectively isolate the substances such as moisture and dust. And replaceable battery. Each FinderTag comes with a battery, so we can clearly, easy peasy remove it and get a new one. It's good for our USB stick, the luggage, the keys, wallets, bikes, dogs, kids. Kids, as you like, but only the small kids. The bigger kids does not need to be tracked, of course, because they need a little privacy, eh? Okay, but you can use this FindTag for every tracking of your stuff, and it's easy. Go to the FindMy app, add it as a device, get it, and name it, job's done. It is in the network. And then you can nearly every time track and find your FinderTag back. It's really cool, and it's a good AirTag alternative because it's much cheaper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.